Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to import GIS data a couple different ways. And we're going to use one single drawing to import in each of the different types of data that we have. So let's start by creating a new drawing. And you can do this a couple different ways. But over on the left on your Start tab, we're going to drop that down and we're going to use the Autodesk Civil 3D Imperial NCS template. Now you can use other templates, you can use your own template, but we're going to use this one throughout the training course, and this is where we will put the objects and information on different layers. So we'll start there, and it's going to give us a blank drawing. Now the first thing we want to do is set up our coordinate system. So on your tool space, and if you don't see your tool space, go ahead and click up on the home tab, click on tool space, and you can see how it's blue in my window. That means that the tool space is on. So I can toggle it on and off, and when it's highlighted blue, you'll see that it's on. We're going to go over to the settings tab, and you're going to right click on that drawing name. Now yours is probably drawing 1 or drawing 2. I've done this a couple times, so right now in this particular session I'm on drawing 3. That doesn't matter. If it's drawing 1, just right click on it. You're going to go to edit drawing settings. That's going to bring up the settings dialog box where you can make sure you're in your proper units. If you are working in meters, the data for this particular class is all set to feet, but if you have your own data set and are following along, you can use meters and switch this drawing units to meters here. We're going to set a datum though, so we are going to be in a state plane system, so we're going to scroll down. This project happens to be in Pennsylvania, so we're going to click on USA, Pennsylvania, and we can choose NAD 83 North Zone US foot. That's the zone that we happen to be in. And once you have that, we'll go ahead and click OK. And now we're ready to start importing our data.